For weeks, the Biafran community globally has been holding its breath, waiting for a single word, a single update from the Finnish courtroom regarding the appeal of Mazi Simon Ekpa. We see the headlines, we see the debate on social media, but from the official halls of justice in Finland, there is only silence. Is this silence a sign of a setback? Or is it exactly what we should expect from one of the most private legal systems in the world? Today on Biafra Daily, we are breaking down the wall of silence. We are going to look at the why behind the lack of updates, the specific way Finnish appeals courts operate, and most importantly, what this quiet period actually means for the future of the movement. If you've been searching for answers, you are in the right place. The Finnish legal system, the black box. To understand the silence, we first have to understand the Finnish Court of Appeal, known as the hovioikeus. Unlike the legal systems many of us are used to, the Finnish system does not prioritize trial by media. In many countries, you see lawyers giving interviews on the court steps every afternoon. In Finland, the process is much more clinical and reserved. The court often works through written submissions rather than constant public hearings. When an appeal is filed, like in the case of Simon Ekpa, the judges spend a significant amount of time reviewing documents, international treaties, and human rights reports in private. They aren't looking for headlines. They are looking at the letter of the law. This black box stage of the legal process is where we are right now. The silence isn't a lack of action. It's the sound of the legal gears turning behind closed doors. Historical context and patience. As followers of the Biafran legacy, we know that legal battles are rarely won in a day. Think back to the various legal challenges the movement has faced over the decades. From the early days of the struggle to the more recent international petitions, the common thread has always been patience.
Finland has a history of being very deliberate when it comes to cases involving political activists and international diplomacy. They are balancing their domestic laws with their obligations to international human rights standards. By looking at how they have handled past cases of political asylum and extradition, we see a pattern. They take their time to ensure that whatever decision is reached can withstand international scrutiny. The silence we are experiencing now is a hallmark of a system that refuses to be rushed by public pressure or political tension. What the silence means for the appeal. So, what does this actually mean for the appeal? First, it means the legal teams are likely in a heavy briefing phase. They are exchanging thousands of pages of arguments. Second, the silence suggests that the court is treating this with the gravity it deserves. If it were a simple open and shut case, a decision might have come quickly. The duration of this quiet period suggests that the arguments being presented are complex and require deep deliberation. For the supporters and the critics alike, this is a test of nerves. But in the world of international law, no news is often neutral news. It means the process is being respected. It means the arguments are being read. It means the final verdict, whenever it comes, will be a documented, multi-layered legal landmark. Conclusion and call to action. While we wait for the Finnish courts to speak, the conversation here at Biafra Daily doesn't stop. We've seen in our recent videos how passionate you all are about the truth and the future of leadership. This period of silence is the perfect time for us to reflect on the unity of the movement. What is your take on the Finnish legal system? Do you believe this deliberate pace is a good sign for a fair trial? Or does the wait create more tension? I want to hear from you in the comments below. Let's keep the discussion civil and focused on the facts. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. When that silence from Finland finally breaks, you'll hear it here first on Biafra Daily. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next update.